You are going to love
the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.